This is a fit for a 2003 through 2018 Chevrolet Express van with rain gutters. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Rhino-Rack Vortex RL150 base roof rack system. The system is using the Vortex load bars in silver, 65 inches in length, the RL150GMC leg kit, which includes the necessary brackets and fasteners. These are tamper-resistant fasteners requiring a specialty tool, which is a hollow point hex head. The crossbars can be positioned anywhere along the length of the rain gutter from front to rear. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 220 pounds, evenly distributed. This product and the full line of Rhino-Rack products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.